Hi.
Hi.
I'm Athena.
I'm Holly.
I'm Laura.
I'm Lisa.
And this is Stitching with Friends. Welcome back. What are we on? Is this 22?
I think
this is
so.
22. Yay! Episode 22. Oh my goodness. I know, that's crazy. I can't believe it's been that long since we've started. I mean, it's probably a little bit longer than 22 weeks because we missed a couple of weeks, but it's like, that's crazy.
Yeah.
We first and foremost want to thank everybody who came on Saturday and sit and stitched with us and chatted with us. It was so awesome to meet everybody in person, and well, not in person, kind of in person.
Sort of what we can do right now.
It was.
It was funny. Fun. I told Jillian, I was like, see, we can't actually bite you because we're on the computer. So there's no reason to be afraid of us.
So I think there was 10 or 11.
Yeah, Lisa, I think you were keeping track of everybody who came in. If you want to shout them out.
Yeah. Hold, please. My phone is loading.
Because there's no way I would, because I probably could think of everybody, but I would end up missing somebody, I guarantee you.
Yes, let's see here. Hang tight.
We had a lot of fun. We were just hanging out. Stitch and I was sitting in my bed, and we were on there for about 4 hours, and people were kind of coming in and then leaving and coming in and leaving. I don't think we ever got over 8 people because the screen will only show us 8 people, but I think up to like 50 people can be in that room at one time. Of course, we would not even know how to talk to each other at that point. But I kept watching because I figured if we hit too many that we couldn't see everybody, maybe 2 of us could break off and start a different room. But that never happened because everybody, like, it was almost like perfect timing. Like someone had to go and then someone jumped in and then someone had to go and someone jumped in. It was crazy.
Yep. So we had Chrisanne, Laura Landis, Nellie, Gail, Stephanie, Gwen, Jillian, Bobby, Deborah, Connie, and Melina.
Yay! And Athena, and Lisa, and Laura, and Holly.
So we had 11 besides us.
Yeah, it was so much fun. I hope we get more. We hope to keep doing this every month. We, between the 4 of us, need to figure out a day in October that works for us. It's probably going to be either a Saturday or Sunday, like normally, because that's both me and Laura work normal, like Monday through Fridays. Holly's like,
I'm all over the place.
So we'll have to coordinate with her work schedule for when she's got a weekend off, and we can, or at least a Saturday or a Sunday, and we can schedule that again. But hopefully we can get that in soon. So, because I know a lot of people are like, oh, I need to coordinate better next time so I can join. So hopefully we can give you more notice so you can take the day, or at least you don't have to come in for the whole 4 hours.
People kind of came and went throughout the evening.
Yeah.
So
it was a lot of fun. I really enjoyed meeting people and putting faces to names. Like when people jumped in, I was like, hi, who are you? And then they said who they were. I was like, ah! I think the first person who came in was Deborah, and she was like, so you know me as Shingle Springs? And I was like, hi! So it was really cool. It was nice because we had people from like all over the United States, plus Gwen up in Canada. So it was a lot of fun.
Yep.
Well, I don't know what else went on this week. Does anybody else have anything this week? No?
Well, I'll tell people my update about the dogs.
Yeah.
So apparently, with all the stuff that Luna was going through, and then she ended up with bronchitis, she was contagious, and our little dachshund Lily now is very sick. And she's at the vet, and they've had to put her on IV antibiotics so that she doesn't go into pneumonia. So our little puppy now is very, very sick. So it's been a rough couple of weeks.
Happy thoughts and prayers that she gets to come home soon.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They said maybe, they'd be keeping her overnight, but the way they talked this afternoon, they won't even get her blood work back until tomorrow. And with her still running a fever and needing those IV antibiotics, I would be surprised if we get to bring her home tomorrow. So
Yeah.
I'm thinking she'll be there at least a couple days.
Yeah.
But
at least they're running antibiotics and they're doing what they need to do. So
yes. Yep.
She'll get better.
Yeah.
She'll get better. Just like Luna did.
Yep. They're fighters.
Yeah.
They learned that from their dog mommy here. So.
Okay, well, should we announce? Let's announce the Halloweeny. We only had 4 people interested. If my phone will wake up, there we go. So Cade's Crafts, which is Stephanie, Christy Martin, Shingle Springs, Deborah, and sorry, I'm really trying to read the wheel. Susie Marshall. So because there's only 4 of you, my wheel kind of puts you on there twice. So let's see if I could tap this.
Good luck.
There we go. Kate's Crafts, Stephanie. Yay!
Congratulations, Stephanie. It's a very cute stitch. It
is very cute. That is cute. And I know she really likes Halloween. We were talking, and she likes a lot of Harry Potter and a lot of Halloween. I was like, oh, so do I. So let's jump into it. Whips. I only have 1 whip. It's the coffee shop from Spooky Hollow. That's
I love those charts.
Yeah, me too.
That's what
I actually on this one. I love the color of the front door.
Yeah.
I love that.
I finished the front door last night. Okay. Shall we talk about the front door?
Oh.
You guys, we should screenshot our text messages because the hilarity is just, it's through the roof. So, looking at the pattern, right? Let's see, can you see it? Yes. See the door handle? Door handle will be stitched on, as I'm looking at it, my left. So, but that didn't seem right to me. And on the bed and breakfast one, it's on the right. And I'm like, the door handle should be on the right. Isn't the door handle always on the right? And I'm thinking about my door. Well, first off, I wasn't even thinking about my door yet. I was just like, door handles are on the right. And I text the girls, and everybody's like, yeah, it's on the right. That's weird. Do it on the right. And I'm like, okay. So then the thinking keeps going. And at some point it finally clicked on me, because I think Holly was like, oh yeah, on my front and back door, it's on the right. And then I started thinking of my door, and I'm like, so I open it, when I'm inside, I open it on the right, but when I'm outside, it's on the left. It depends on what side of the door you're standing. And it was like one of those blonde moments that I somehow drug everybody into with me. I was like, you guys, I can't even make this stuff up. I text them, and I was like, I promise you, I am not on anything. But anyways.
At one point I was like, well, it depends on which side your door hinges are on and which side that handle's going to be on. You're either buying a left hanging or swinging door or a right hanging or swinging door.
Right. I was just like, my mind is blown. And at one point I was just like, oh yeah, it depends on what side of the door you're standing on. Good Lord. Anyways, all of that to decide which side to put my door handle on. And I never did put it on. So, whatever. She's missing the rest of her head. But I've got the witches going. And it's funny, they have, I don't know if you can tell. Maybe not. They've got French knot noses.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
So it makes them look like they've got little wart noses.
Yeah.
It's cute. And they're satin stitch hair. I love it.
Are you stitching these all on one piece, or are they all separate?
Yeah, no, it's all on one piece. So you can see Bed and Breakfast is over there.
Okay.
just wrapped around my Q-snap now.
How
so.
many will be on one piece?
12.
Oh wow.
Oh wow.
And she just released the 12th one, and it's the Stitchery.
Oh,
The
okay.
spiderweb Stitchery. I haven't gotten that pattern yet, so I can't show it yet. But that's my funny story.
Well, I actually have 3 whips.
I
What?
Yeah, I know.
Geez,
so I
2020
decided,
just keeps bringing those surprises.
It's you stepping out of your comfort zone.
I decided to start this, the Blue Flowers, A Night Walk Down.
Yep.
And this is what I stitched on for the most part.
Nice.
Yeah.
And
And I
what's your
discovered
fabric?
that, so the purple on it, that's for the corner flower. Well, I
Mhm.
bought that in Weeks Dye, and it was supposed to be Gentle Arts. But I just went ahead and continued. I'm going to use the Weeks Dye, which is, let me see if I can,
There you go.
Very
Yeah.
good.
Nice.
I
which
think
is
that
a
looks pretty
brighter
pretty.
purple.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think
And
it looks
then,
pretty.
and actually the one I ran into another color that I did the same thing with. So I'm just gonna go with it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know, it's kind of it's a green color. So, but yeah, I'm working on that.
And
I'll
what
probably
fabric
stitch
is that
on it. It is this is Shrinking Violet,
that's the
32
call-
count.
And, that's
And
the
I
call
got
for
it. I bought it from the Kitten Stitcher, Teresa, a while
That's the
back.
called for color, right?
It is,
Yeah.
yeah. It's the called for fabric. And
Looking
then
good.
I pretty much am done with this one.
That's so cute.
Aw.
I just
cute.
have
Look
to
at the
add
little-
the French knot eyes. The eyes
It's
are
got
French
the
knot. So
inchworm
Yeah, the little worm.
yeah, I attached the worm.
from when Laura gave Holly the worm.
Yeah. And then I also got a start on Enjoy the Sunshine SAL.
Yay!
It's by
Yay!
Temping Tangles. And my
Nice.
start, it's not much, but I just did a little bit, so.
Cool.
Nice.
How do you like stitching with silks?
I like it a lot. It's a lot smoother. And I don't notice, when the thread twists, you don't notice it as much. It just lays nicer, I think.
Mhm. Yeah.
Nice. And what fabric is that one?
This is made by, Laura, you know her.
BestitchMe.
BestitchMe. Yeah. And it's a 32 count lemon.
Lemon.
Mm-hmm.
Nice. Pretty yellow.
Thank
Mhm.
you.
Well, I have 3 whips as well.
I was hoping you would actually say I only had one, and then you guys were like, did a
A
flip
total
on
switch
it.
around.
Reverse.
So I'm working on the Joan Elliott
Mm.
Halloween Eve sampler.
I
And
love this one.
What I worked on during our stitching conversation, so I didn't get a lot done, but I got the corner started.
You're it's really coming along.
Look at the little pumpkin.
Oh, yeah.
Isn't that cute?
Nice.
You got a lot done.
Baby pumpkin underneath the big pumpkin.
I know. So cute. But
Oh my goodness, I can't wait to start that.
I know it's fun. I love anything Halloween. Love it. And then my second one that I've been working on was Autumn Lane Stitchery, and it is Hallow's Eve Pumpkin.
I love that.
Nice.
And let's see.
Oh wow. It's a lot bigger than I thought it was gonna be.
So
Me
what are you
too.
sticking this one on?
What? I'm sorry.
You I don't think you said fabric on the last one either, but what fabric is this?
This one is Mountain Air Woodland Halloween, and it's a 28 count linen.
And that's over 2.
Yes, it's over 2.
I love the color of the house compared to the witch.
Yeah, I know. Isn't that fun?
I love that contrast. Yeah.
And the last one that I just showed you, the witches, Joan Elliott one, was by Picture This Plus, and it's Shale is the color, and it's a 28. No, it's a 32. Yeah.
Okay.
I went crazy. And then the last one is the Witches Familiars. Last week I showed you the rat. Well, now I finished the moth.
Oh, I love that.
Isn't it
I
cute?
think I love the moons more than the moth, but I still love the whole thing.
I thought the same thing, Athena. As soon as I saw the moons, I was like, oh, I love
the colors of the moon make that really pop. I love that. That might be my favorite one so far on this.
On this one?
Uh-huh.
Let's see, hold it up again. Let me see which one's my favorite so far.
Okay. So we got the cat, the rabbit, the toad, the raven, the snake, the dog, the rat, and the goat, and the moth.
Mine's the goat.
I think
yours is the goat.
I think mine's the snake.
I just
you're
love,
the moth.
Yeah. I love that blue with that yellow. It really sets off that.
I like the toad. Look at him. He's so cute.
It was a toss-up between the toad and the snake for me. But yeah, he's really cute too.
They're so cute. And this is 28 linen. And I don't know who it's by. I just got it up at CC's in their drawer. So that's it.
That's it?
That's it.
Okay, I have 3 small whips.
Nice.
I completed the peacock.
Yay!
Isn't that exciting? Woohoo!
It is.
And then I got the little white star up here done. So.
Ooh,
oh, that's
pretty.
Yeah.
And
That's
this is on
great.
that shrinking violet.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Holly, do you still have
That
yours
looks
out?
great.
Yeah. Can you hold yours
Hold
up,
yours
Holly?
up
Yeah.
so we can see the difference. This is the called for purple. I think, was this old purple paint? I forget which color this one is in the corner, but see, I used the called for, and she used that brighter color.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice.
Pretty.
So anyways, I finished that peacock finally. And then when we did our stitch together Saturday, I hadn't worked on this one in a while. So I got out the Inn at Fox River Mill, Little House Needleworks. And I already had the border and the words done, but I finished the tree that I started.
Yay!
So I got the little tree. It's the tree on the right hand side there.
Oh yeah.
You can see
I
that.
love the acorns in the border.
Yeah, those are cute.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so I worked on that, and this is just on monk's cloth. And then I worked a little more on my epic or giant Harry Potter. I had started. I had this done to about here, and then I continued around the corner with the green a little bit. So,
nice.
Oh, nice.
That's where I'm at.
Love it.
So got quite a bit done on that one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And those are my whips this week.
Awesome.
Yeah.
It was like all of you had 3 whips. That was cool.
Imagine how much I could get done if I just stuck with one.
I don't have any haul. I got nothing.
I have a few things.
What you got?
So I got some Picture This Plus Murky.
Ooh, nice.
I think that's
so
going to
it's,
be your go-to, Holly. I
Yeah.
think Murky is going to be your go-to.
for
fabric.
the Halloween sampler.
Just
For
for
anything.
anything.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
If Murky will work, I have a feeling you're going to use it.
Yeah, I got it in 32 count.
Nice.
And I got that at Quilter Station, which is a quilt shop in Lee Summit. And then I got a bag. And this is a fairly new shop on Etsy. And what she does is
Pretty. Oh, I love that.
she takes needle points and silk screens, just any kind of crewel embroidery, and she repurposes it into a bag.
Wow.
So, and she has all kinds of, there's the inside of it.
So
there's pockets
really,
too.
when you buy one of her bags, you're getting a one of a kind.
Right.
Yeah, you are. Yeah, you're getting a one of a kind.
Yeah.
Her shop name is Deborah Harry.
Mhm.
And then she also has a Facebook group, and it's under Deborah Harry's.
And that, so where you bought the bag was on Etsy or her website?
It was on Etsy.
On
Yeah,
Etsy,
she has an
okay.
Etsy shop, and she just put some more up today.
Oh,
Which-
New?
Yeah. Yeah, you might want to take a look.
Yeah. I just looked a few days ago and there was a cat one on there that I wanted so bad, but I've
Oh, yeah.
got to stop.
I
Yeah.
know.
Yeah, she put another cat one up, and then she had listed a horse one, and I thought, oh, she listed on her Facebook page that it was going to be in the Etsy shop, so I went to the Etsy shop, and someone bought it already, so
Oh.
otherwise I may have been in trouble. So, and then I had to get more of the Morgan hoops. Thank you,
These
Laura.
have taken on a life of their own.
You're
Like,
welcome.
so many people are buying these.
Yes, I got a 7-inch, a 9-inch, and a 10-inch.
Nice.
And I imagine I'll probably use the 7 more.
I
Yeah.
think the only one I have is either a 7-inch or a 9-inch. I think it might be a 7-inch.
Yeah,
I think
yeah, I'm sure that's the one I'll use the most. But yeah, I was so impressed with the 5-inch that I had to go back and get the other sizes. So it
See, I
really
wonder
does
if
keep the fabric
if
tighter.
those hoops would work with punch needle. Since you
They
have-
do. Yeah,
Really?
I have one of their. That's how I did my punch needle. The
Okay.
little bird with the trees. I used the Morgan lap stand.
Oh,
So I don't have it with me right now, but it's a little bit different. It's like it's on legs.
okay.
So that way you punch and it's kind of elevated,
Okay.
so you don't punch yourself in the leg.
That would not be good.
I'm sure that's happened.
I'm sure.
Sure.
That would hurt.
Is that all you have, Holly?
Yep, that's it.
That's it? Okay.
Yep.
I have a couple of items. I got my monthly fabric from Picture This Plus. And it's called Earthen.
But that's pretty.
It's very earthy.
Nice.
Oh, you have it too.
I forgot.
I thought that's why I asked you if you had more stuff, because I figured you did. Okay. And then I got my chromatic
Chromatic
Alchemy.
alchemy.
and I switched to linen because Holly's fabric, I'm always jealous of it. So this is the
Ooh.
Oh, that's really pretty.
You haven't gotten yours yet, Holly?
I don't think so. I usually get mine a few days after Laura's.
That is pretty.
And it's called. This is a 32. Oh my gosh, she sent me 32 linen.
It'd be okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to email her again. And tell her. Okay.
What's that one
Anyway.
called? What's the name of that one?
This one is called Shadow Mirror.
That looks similar to the one I had seen that I loved up at Quilter Station.
Oh, that's the Halloween one, right?
Yes.
Shadows.
Yes. Yeah.
Oh, I love that.
Yeah, she had an option for Halloween to either go with like a green or this
Mhm.
color.
Or you could have gotten both, which I meant to do that and I forgot. So, oh well.
Now, when you buy all this, is it an Etsy store? Is it a Facebook group? What is the?
She has her own website.
Oh,
Yeah. And you have to sign up. You have to get on a waiting list to sign
Okay.
up. This
So
is
it's
for the
not like-
fabric of the month.
Yeah. Yeah, I was on her waiting list for, what was it, almost 3 years before I got on.
Does she sell just regular fabrics on her, like
think she
Pixabay
does.
Plus does?
Mhm.
Right?
Yeah, she does.
Yeah. And then I got a couple of project bags. Vintage owl lady. This is the back.
Oh, that's so cute.
I just fell in love with the.
Look at the balloons.
I know isn't that cute?
Oh.
That is cute.
And then they have this little,
Oh,
yeah.
little skeleton hand.
and then the inside is like little witches' hats.
Oh,
Nice.
how cute.
But and then I got
Is it
this
now?
one.
Is that vinyl on the front, or is it
No.
fabric on the front?
It's fabric.
Oh, okay, just same as the back. I catch you.
Yeah.
Okay.
And this one, the back, and the front says, "There was a crooked man, and he went a crooked mile. He bought a crooked cat who caught a crooked mouse, and they all lived together in a little crooked house." Isn't that just
Cute.
the cutest thing?
That's adorable.
Now, that's the one that you text us and told us to buy. And then she
Yes,
was like, it's
she
been
did.
5 minutes. Okay, I bought it.
Yeah, I was like, please, somebody else, please. I sent the link.
You
and
didn't wait
everything.
long.
And look, little rat.
Little rat.
Oh.
Yeah, I
I'll,
really
hey
needed
Laura,
one of you
I'll
guys.
buy it from you.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, now that I have it, I like it too much. And this is a little house.
Oh.
Cute.
So cute.
Okay, and then my patterns. I got Prairie Schooler, Bump in the Night.
Ooh, I like that.
Nice.
I thought that was cute. Barbara Ann Designs, 3 Witches.
Mm.
Yep.
I like that one.
I feel like did you not have that one already?
If I did, we'll be doing a giveaway. I
I'm
know
like,
I'm getting confused. We'll see. Amy Brucken Designs, Wicked Women Unite.
Oh,
nice.
nice.
That's cute. Hey, don't you have a piece of pink fabric? Didn't you just show a piece of pink fabric? That would go.
Last week I
Yeah.
did, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. I just realized that it was stitched on pink.
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
That's unusual. The Addams Family by Plum Street.
Aw.
I like how it has little
Like
bats
that.
up in the corner.
Oh, yeah.
Primitive Hair. Wanted,
The cat.
dead or alive.
Now 3 of it. Athena, you don't have that one, right?
No.
Oh, you don't. Okay.
I think you need this one, Athena.
Yeah, I think so too.
Okay. The frog motto.
As ye
As
sow,
ye
shall-
sow, so shall ye rip.
That's cute.
And see the little frogs.
I've never seen that one before.
Wait, who's the designer? Hold it back.
Annie
Oh,
Bees.
Annie Bees.
Bees.
Yeah.
And what's
Is
it
that
called?
an older one or is that a new
It's
one?
called the frog motto.
Frog motto.
Is
Yeah,
it-
I've never
is it-
seen that one either.
I've never seen that. Yeah.
Is
I
it
think-
a new one?
No, it says 2017 on it.
Oh, really? I've not seen that one.
Hmm.
But it made me
As
laugh.
ye
so.
sow, so shall ye rip.
And then this one I got off of Stash Unload. It's Bent Creek, and it's a special release. It's called the Liberty House.
I love that.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah.
Cute.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I got that. And
But
then,
tell us your plans for that picture.
oh, so I'm going to change the picture.
One
Here.
of those pictures. Oh, that one?
Yeah,
Okay.
I haven't
Mhm.
decided who yet. And I'm gonna change it to Ruth Bader.
Nice.
So
Yeah, I like that.
yeah, because that's not forgotten farm.
Not
and
forgotten
pigs
farm.
Fly.
Oh, that's cute.
That one is cute. I've not seen that one before
Yeah, I
either.
haven't seen that one either.
Yeah, and this one, it doesn't say the copyright on this one. I'm not sure when
Can
that
you-
came out.
Hold up a close-up of those trees.
I think they're corn stalks.
Is it corn stalks?
No,
Oh,
they're
maybe
trees
not.
because these are little
Trees.
houses.
Yeah. A
It
really
almost-
big corn
from,
stalk.
from far
They almost
away.
look like a
Flying on the
ghost.
broom. I just realized he's flying on the broom.
Isn't that
That's
funny?
cute.
That's
At
cute.
first, I thought those were letters.
Oh,
Oh.
yeah.
They
No.
almost look like letters.
I thought that's why I kind of got close because I thought they were corn stalks, but
Yeah, I thought it was a ghost, but
You're all wrong. Okay, and then I got the Haunted Manor House by Artful Offerings.
oh
That's cute.
boy, I have not seen this one either.
I haven't either.
Where are
This
you
one is a 2020.
the
And-
20
It is?
It is, and I got it off 123 Stitch.
And who's the designer again?
Artful Offerings.
Hold it back a little bit so we could see the whole thing.
I think that is the
There
same
you
company.
go. Yeah.
Remember that horse one I showed a few episodes ago?
Yeah,
I think it's the same company.
Okay.
Yeah,
it's really cute.
It is cute.
I like that.
Mhm.
Okay. And then for my final two, someone was stitching this in our group, and now I cannot remember. Catherine?
I can't remember either. But yeah, I really want that one.
It's Quaker Halloween.
It's on my list for when I can shop again.
And I love the sayings.
I know. I told you I was sick.
Is that pumpkin stitched or is that a button?
No, it's stitched.
Okay.
It says got worms, and then I'll be back.
I think I would change that center one.
What would you put instead?
I'll think of something.
Okay, let me know. Okay, and the last one is Tiny Modernist, and it's the
Oh, yeah, I've been wanting this one.
But you know what the funny part is? Is I ordered number one from
Yeah.
Cottage Needle when I ordered all of my pre-sales for the month. And I still haven't gotten number one because she's waiting on a shipment herself. And so I can't even start stitching it yet.
Oh,
So are they released? So they're released individually. It's not like a PDF thing that you can do.
Well, I always get the hard copies because I have a weird thing about I like the hard copy.
But you have to. Do you have to buy each part then?
Yes, you do.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah, which is sort of a pain, but isn't it cute?
Yeah, I like
Yeah.
the sales where you pay for everything up front and then you just get the pieces as they release.
Right.
Yeah.
Me too. But it's so cute that I had to do it.
Yeah, I was too chicken in the beginning because I'm hesitant to jump into mystery sales anymore.
Right.
So I want to see them before I buy them now.
Yeah.
Yeah. This one is definitely worth it.
Yeah, I like it.
And that's all I have.
Well, I just have one thing. And I bought myself a new shirt.
Woohoo!
Yay!
I love it.
FLOSSTUBE.
And you
I
found
thought
that-
you were going to just stand up, Lisa, and have it on.
Oh,
You found that on Amazon, right?
Yep, I got it on Amazon.
Nice.
That's great.
That's all I have this week.
That's funny. Okay, so plans. I'm getting ready for, and I kind of mentioned this, I touched on it before. Last year I called it 13 Starts of Halloween. And I'll probably still stick with that hashtag. I have to look up exactly what it was. I don't remember, but I do think it was just 13 Starts of Halloween, and 13 being 1-3. But I will double check that, and I will get back to you next week before we officially start. Actually, is next Wednesday October 1st?
Today's the 21st.
Oh, wait, I'm still, okay, I'm jumping ahead.
Oh, today is my nephew Taylor's birthday.
Oh.
Okay, so no, next Wednesday is the 30th. So, okay, I will let you guys know next Wednesday before it officially starts. But I think I'm going to add in there maybe like a 13 Stitches of Halloween, because I'm not actually doing starts. So I had 4 finishes of my 13 starts last year, so I'm going to get 4 starts this year, and then I'm going to stitch the other 9 on what I started last year. Connie from Count Twice Stitch Once is going to do 31 starts of Halloween.
Wow.
Because she's crazy.
She's
But
fast, though.
she has enough to do 31 starts of Halloween. And she's been wanting to get them going, so that's
But you know what? But you know what the upside of that is? Sometimes the longest part of a new start is getting your fabric ready, finding your starting point,
Mhm.
figuring out where you want to start your project, and getting those first couple of stitches in. So then when you do have that start, the next time you pick it up, you're ready to go. You know where you left. I mean, you don't have to figure all that stuff out. That's the upside of doing that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I thought I would show you the 4 that I got ready this week. Kind of got ready. Well, I picked the 4 charts that I'm going to start. So I'm going to show you that. This one, Halloween Sampler. And it's from, that place. I can't read backwards.
Cottage Garden.
Cottage Garden. Very good. And I pulled all my own floss for this one. I didn't like any of the called fors. So the alphabet letters will be in this Threadworks color.
Pretty.
The alphabet colors. And then these are just the rest of the colors. If I can get them all in one shot. There we go. And there's the rest of the colors.
Now, Athena, where are you having luck buying your threads?
I got all of these a while back at the one in Branson.
Cecilia?
Yeah. And then I pulled this fabric. This is fabric that I dyed. But I pulled this fabric to stitch it on. It's not ironed yet. Sorry, it's all wrinkled.
Oh, I like it.
Yeah.
It's pretty.
Yeah.
That's that one. And then this one was up for debate on Instagram. And I was leaning towards green fabric. A lot of people, and I was hesitant because I didn't know if the black would get lost. It's getting blown out. It's darker than, there we go. It's a little bit dark. So I think a lot of people thought that it would get blown, the black would get lost in that too. The other option, which I also love, is this heather from Picture This Plus. And on this side, it's more purple. I mean, it's all one piece, but I would cut it in half. And then this side is just really cool.
Yeah.
So it's all one piece. It just feels like two different pieces when you divide it in half.
Have
It
you?
looks like the sun.
Yeah.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah, the sun in the corner.
Have you already stitched the companion piece?
No.
Oh, you should use that fabric for both.
That's what I was kind of thinking, since it's big enough.
Yeah.
So this is the one everybody chose on Instagram. So this is the one I'm going to go with.
Mm-hmm.
Even though Rosie, Michelle's Bendy Stitches, Rosie voted for the green, and I was like, oh, well, it's settled. It has to be green. But it was overwhelmingly, I think there was like 60 some votes for Heather, and there was only like 20 for green. So Heather it is.
I voted green.
I'm gonna start this one with Laura. I do not have fabric ready for this one yet. I need to dye something. So, and I did say that this was Picture This Plus, right? That's Picture This Plus, Heather.
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna start this one. Yay! And I'm gonna do this one on. This is 14 count. It's gonna be huge. 14 count lunar from Picture This Plus.
Oh, wow.
So
That's pretty.
Very pretty.
it's kind of getting blown out.
Is that an
There we go.
18 by 27?
Yep.
Okay.
And I think 27, when I put it in my stitch calculator,
Mm-hmm.
was what I needed for the length. And I was like, boom, perfect. So, and it's a little bit more blue than what it's showing up on this camera. It's showing up more gray, but it's more blue. Anyways, that's what I have for that one. So that's in my plans. These will all get started in October. I don't know when, but I'll start them at some point in October. Probably All Hallows Eve sampler was like October 1 at like 12:01. I'll be starting that one. So I'm super excited for that one.
So are you doing, is the stitch along or the Halloween stitch along, is it the 1st through the 13th or just at 13 days, whatever?
Just in October. 13, well, because last year it was just 13 starts in October. Just 13 Halloween starts anytime in October. I'm not strict on my SALs. So stitch on, I know that Keisha from the Pattern Queens has James, and James is making stitching a little bit difficult because he's stingy with his mama. So I told her just do 13 actual stitches a day. And she was like, I could do that. So just however you want to play it. Follow along the hashtag. I will make sure it should be 13 starts of Halloween. I'll make sure. But do starts, do whips, do 31, do 13, do whatever you want to do. It'll be fun. It's Halloween stitching, and I love it. So, yay!
Yay!
All right.
Does anybody else have any big plans?
I'm just gonna continue on the I forgot the name of it. Night Walks Down. I'm just gonna continue working on that one and the SAL. And I do have these silks coming on their way for this one.
Oh, I love that one.
Yes.
Nice.
So yeah, I'll probably go ahead and start this too.
Nice.
When the stuff gets here. So
Yeah.
Did you
Four
order the
starts.
fabric?
Hmm?
Did you
I
order
did.
the fabric?
Yeah, I ordered the silks and I ordered the Picture This Plus Haunted.
Okay. Yeah.
So I'm hoping, you know, the color will be okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yay.
Do you have any plans, Laura?
My plans are to catch up on the Sunshine stitch,
Mm-hmm.
and I'm not really planning anything else because I never follow my plans.
Yeah, I don't either.
I want to work some more on the Harry Potter, and then
Yeah, those bright colors are so much fun.
yeah, and then I might work on. I might pull something else out that I haven't worked on in a while,
6 o'clock.
just to stitch, and then I'll be taking care of a sick doggy
Yeah.
when she comes home. So
Yeah.
but I do want to work more on Harry Potter, and then even though I've got Night Walk Down and this other one out, sometimes I just like to get ones out that I haven't worked on in forever and just do a little something on them, show them a little love. So
Yeah.
Yeah.
and then maybe next week I can I think I've got everything lined up for the 13 Halloween stitches. So maybe next week I can show you what I'm planning on stitching for the 13 starts of Halloween.
Yeah, nice.
Or stitching of Halloween. I don't think most of them are new starts, but there might be some that I started last year. So
yeah. Yeah, my immediate plans is to keep stitching on Spooky Hollow and distracting myself because I want to start the starts now.
yeah.
Well, you know, when you get kit them up and you get like so excited as you're kitting them up, you're like, okay, I want to start. So I'm gonna just keep stitching on Spooky Hollow, and I hope to get that one done before October, so that I can get that one piece done before October. So, other than that, I think that's it for this week. Does anybody have anything else? We're good. Okay.
No.
All right. Well, that was fun. We will see you guys next week, and
We'll figure out a date for October.
yep, we'll post that in the group. If you're not in our Stitching with Friends group on Facebook, join our Stitching with Friends group on Facebook.
It was
We have
fun,
tons of
you
fun.
guys. Yeah.
Not only do we have those, we're gonna have those once a month that we're hanging out and stitching and talking, but we're really active in the group too. So we always have stuff going on, stuff getting posted, crazy stuff. So okay, we will see you guys next week. And guess what? Next week it's gonna be almost October. So excited. All right, bye.
Bye, everybody.